how to log in to another account in Instagram. First things first is to access your first account. Now, once you have logged in to your current account and you want to log into a different account, usually it shows up beside or right side of your name right here. And then all you just have to do is to click on Add Instagram account. But if this option is not showing on your screen right now, just go on the three lines right here. You scroll all the way down and click Add Account. From here, you can add either an existing account or you can either create an account. So if you want to log in into an existing account, just click on that and then you can go ahead and enter your login credentials from the account that you want to log in. So it works on the first option that you can do. Just simply click on uh, the arrow pointing down right here beside your name and click on add Instagram account. So it's actually the same if you use or you tap all the way to the settings. So those are the options and how you can log into another account on Instagram.